Hi students, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine in your home and welcome to new academic year. My name is Disha Davis and I am handling computer subject for you. This is my first online video class. Due to the current situation, the teaching learning process can be only done through this online method. So be very attentive in the class. Okay, before moving on to the class, let me say one or two points. The first point is you are watching IT class. So either you should have a computer or a laptop in your home to practice all these activities, or if you don't have such facility, nothing to worry. You should have a rough book and a pen to copy down every notes. I'll give each and every activity was description and every notes at the end of my video session. So take your rough book and copy down the notes. The advantage is that if you read your notebook, it will be more easier to memorize the activities which you have discussed in every class. Okay? I know you all have some difficulties because for you and us, it's an entirely new method. So I expect all your cooperation. So shall we start? This is your IT textbook, part 1. And it has 5 chapters in part 1. This class, I'm going to take the first chapter, layout of pictures. Let's have a look into our textbook. So this is first page of chapter 1, layout of pictures. From the chapter name, it implies it deals with pictures or images, isn't it? In the first page, you can see one image or a poster created by some graphical software. So you may be aware of several graphical software, but in previous year, you have learned one image or picture editing software, isn't it? Which is that software? Yes, GIMP image editing software. So in this first lesson, you will learn the same software called GIMP, but the only difference is that you are going to learn several tools, different tools, and you have to study some extra activities. Okay, so in this chapter, the topics to be discussed in total is image editing, then about GIMP software, then there are 9 activities to be completed in this chapter. First activity, creating canvas, and second activity, coloring the canvas, and the third activity, layer editing. In this chapter, it's a new term, layers. You will learn how to create layers and about layer editing. And the fourth activity, how to rename a layer. And fifth activity, arranging picture on the canvas by a tool called Select by Color tool. I think it's a new term for you. In the previous year, you won't have used this tool. So in this lesson, we'll study about different tools. One is Select by Color tool. And the sixth activity is how to place a logo in the poster. It's very similar for you. And the seventh activity, you will learn another tool called Path tool for selecting path of a picture. And the eighth activity is how to change a picture clarity or how to make a picture more clearer. And ninth activity, which is the last activity, is using filter tools. So these are the topics to be discussed in this chapter. Okay. As it is the first lesson, I am only going to take some introduction part. One is image editing. And the next topic you will learn what is GIMP software and how can a GIMP software to be opened, and also what are the preparations to be done while creating a poster or an image editing in GIMP software. Then you will learn about 2 activities, small activities. One is creating a canvas and second activity is let's color the canvas. And I think both activities are very familiar for you and you have already learned these 2 activities in the previous year. So let's start with first topic, image editing. So image editing, what do you mean by image editing? Image editing means the process of making some changes in an image is known as image editing. Process of making changes means what? Changes means what? How can we make or how can we change an image? For example, we can crop an image and then we can make a duplicate of an image. Then what changes? Is we can resize an image. Resize means what? Making an image smaller or bigger. That is what resizing. Resizing or scaling. We can scale an image. And then we can combine 2 or more images. So these are all changes that is performed on an image. So such editing operations to be performed on an image is known as image editing. So image editing in definition, it is defined as the process of making some changes or editing operations on an image is known as image editing. Hope you all are clear. And we can perform this image editing with the help of some image editing softwares. So with the help of these softwares, we can perform some image editing operations. So what are the image editing softwares we can use? Yes, one is GIMP itself, GIMP software, and then we can use what? Photoshop image editing software, then Picasa image editing software, etc. So all these softwares we can use for making editing operations on an image. Then the next topic is GIMP software. What is the full form of GIMP? GNU Image Manipulation Program. I repeat, GNU Image Manipulation Program. This is the full form of GIMP software. And how can you open GIMP software from the application menu? Applications, Graphics, GIMP software. So all these image editing software will be in Graphics menu. So we can open GIMP software by using Applications, Graphics, GIMP or GNU Image Manipulation Program. And then we are mostly using this GIMP software for making posters or editing some images. So what all are the preparations to be done while creating a poster using GIMP software? What all are the prerequisites or what all are the preparations to be done while creating a poster in GIMP software? So we have to follow different steps for making a poster. That is what preparation means. So what will be the first preparation while creating a poster? Yes, first preparation is collecting the images. We have to collect so many or lot of images for creating a poster. This is what the first preparation. Then what will be the second preparation? Second preparation is we have to make the logo or poster attractive. So this is what the second preparation. First preparation is collecting the images related to a poster. And the second preparation is making the poster attractive by giving colors, background colors. Then what will be the third preparation? Creating logos. We can create different logos in order to make the poster attractive. And then next preparation. What will be the next preparation? We can add text. We can add text to the poster. This is what the fourth preparation. Okay. So these all are the prerequisites or preparation to be done while creating a poster. First preparation is collecting or arranging picture on the canvas. Then the second preparation is making the poster attractive by giving different colors or different background colors. And then third preparation is creating a logo in order to make the poster attractive. And the last preparation is adding text to the poster. So this is what the second topic, GIMP. GIMP means GNU Image Manipulation Program. How can we open GIMP? Applications, Graphics, GNU Image Manipulation Program or GIMP. So let's see the first activity, creating a canvas. How can you create a canvas in GIMP software? So I'll show this activity or how to do this activity by using my computer. So be attentive in the class while listening and please note down the steps of these activities. Okay, so let's see how to create a canvas. So open GIMP software by using Applications, Graphics, GNU Image Manipulation Program. GNU Image Manipulation Program is the full form of GIMP software. So this is the GIMP image editing software. So the first activity is creating or making a canvas. So how can you make a canvas? Refresh the activities which you have done in the previous year. So say the steps of how can you create a canvas. Yes. Click on File, New. Click on File, New option. And you can see a dialog box. Here you can see one template option. So when you click on template option, you can see a lot of dimensions. So from this list of dimensions, we can select any one. So I'm going to select A4 size. Or instead of selecting the templates, here we can see width and height. So here you can give or you can type width and height and click on OK. So this is the canvas. So this is the step to be followed while creating a canvas. Click on File, New option, and a dialog box will appear. From that dialog box, click on Template option and select any template and click on OK. This is the first and foremost step to be followed in GIMP image editing software. And in the left side here there is a toolbar. So in some cases the toolbar will be not visible. So in such cases, here from the tools menu, select toolbox. So if the toolbox is not visible, click on tools option and from that tools option select toolbox. Okay, and in this toolbox a lot of tools are there. If you move your mouse pointer to each tools, you can see the name of the tools: rectangle select tool, ellipse select tool, free select tool, fuzzy select tool, select by color tool, etc. In the bottom of this dialog box we can see two other tools. One is foreground and background colors. This is foreground color, this black color, and this white color is background color. So this is foreground and background color tool. So this is the toolbox, and this is the method of creating a canvas. So this is the first activity to be completed in first lesson. And let's move to the second activity. What is the second activity? Let's color the canvas. How can you give different colors, different background colors to a canvas? So let's see how to give color to the canvas. So for giving color to the canvas, click on foreground color and you can see the color palette. From this, click and drag to select the foreground color. So I'm going to select blue color and click on OK. Similarly, click on this background color option and select another color. Select another color by click and dragging and then click on OK. After that, which tool is used for giving background color or mix of two colors? Which tool is used? Yes, blend tool. So select blend tool. This square shape tool is called as blend tool. Blend tool is used for giving mix of two colors as background color to the canvas. Okay, so select blend tool and simply click and drag on this white canvas like this. So you can see shade of two colors which we have selected here. So this is what your second activity, giving color to the canvas. So is that clear? So let's summarize today's class. We have discussed first topic, image editing. What do you mean by image editing? Image editing is the process of making changes to an image or performing some editing operation to an image is known as image editing. And we have a lot of image editing software such as GIMP image editing software, Photoshop, etc. So changes or editing operation means resizing an image or making a duplicate of an image or combining an image, etc. So all these processes which is made to an image is known as image editing. And the next topic was GIMP software. The full form of GIMP software is GNU Image Manipulation Program, and we can open GIMP using Applications, Graphics, GIMP. And what all are the preparations to be done while creating a poster or while performing editing operation in GIMP? So what all are the preparations? Yes, first preparation was collecting the pictures, and second preparation was to make the poster attractive by giving background colors, suitable background colors related to our poster. Third preparation was creating a logo itself, making a logo. A lot of logos are available, so we can create a logo in order to make the poster attractive. And the final preparation was adding text to the poster. So these all are the preparation to be done while creating poster using GIMP software. And what was the first activity which I have mentioned? The first activity is creating a canvas. The overall activity is making a poster itself. So in that, the first activity is creating a canvas. So how can you create a canvas? Open GIMP software, then select or click on File, New option, and a dialog box will appear. There you can see a template option. So click on the template option and select any template, for example A4, and click on OK. So this is what the method of creating a canvas. And the next activity was, let's color the canvas. So for coloring the canvas, open GIMP software and then select a suitable foreground and background color using the tool called foreground and background color tool. So select the suitable background color and then apply the mix of colors to the canvas using which tool? Blend tool. By using blend tool, apply the mix of colors. So this is all for today's session. So other topics and other activities we can see in the next session or next video class. Okay. Hope you all clear. So in the next class you will learn about a new term called layers and also creating a poster related to child labor. That is the activity which is described in your textbook. So that's all for today. We'll see you in the next class. So stay safe and thank you and have a nice day.